This is very exciting. So the Moffitt family won ADT's Pasta Protection Contest.
You won ADT's $250,000 makeover.
We have our oldest three who are our biological children, and our youngest three are adopted siblings. Callie and Preston, they have a rare genetic syndrome. There's less than 50 people in the world with their specific version of it, and so protecting them is everything.
I need to hear from the kids. What does not work with this house?
The kitchen.
The kitchen?
Lots of more space, I guess.
You need more space? You were mentioning that you wanted to also have a room that's a therapy space.
Yeah, this is our therapy room. It's kind of taken over a little bit.
We're gonna stretch this renovation budget to touch as many rooms as possible.
We want to open up the main living space. We want to give them more storage, and we've got to get that therapy room whipped into shape.
With ADT, they're gonna have everything they need. Notice anything different?
Whoa, this is amazing.
You'll notice an entirely new roof going all the way around. You'll also notice new stucco, some new windows.
It's amazing. It's beautiful.
Well, not only does this look beautiful and it's that low maintenance design that we have out front, but you also have cameras around the entire perimeter of the house. Plus, these cameras have
Two-way audio.
capability. If the kids are out here playing, you can speak to them. And you have your ADT video doorbell. So now, if you're away and somebody rings the doorbell, you can see who it is.
Wow, that's gonna be great.
After you.
Whoa, this is amazing. It's so bright and decorated.
Walking in the front door, it's a long hallway, but it doesn't feel cramped or closed off because it's bright, it's updated, it's stylish. I could see it in their eyes. Their first impression was, wow. All right, this is all for you.
Oh my goodness.
What do you think?
This is awesome.
Wow. This is amazing.
This turned out amazing.
This can't be the same house. My goodness.
Wow.
What do you love the most?
I love this island.
Yeah.
It's so big.
Well, that was like, you know, exclamation point on your wish list. You needed to have an island.
Yeah. The kids are gonna love this.
This is exactly what we wanted.
And the storage, look how much storage we have.
Oh, yeah. Even all the way at the back over there, you've got so much storage, the extended countertops, which gives you more prep space.
So you remember your old office that had all of your pantry stuff in there. Now you have enough cabinets to put
I know,
food.
it's gonna be so nice.
We also have the smoke detectors, which are monitored by ADT as well. I mean, honestly, no matter what you want to protect, nobody has more ways to keep it all safe than ADT.
And if the kids are outside, you can use a control panel to keep an eye on them. You can use your phone to keep an eye on them. You can use the audio function of the cameras to talk to them outside as well.
Wow,
That's awesome.
high tech now.
Yeah.
I don't think they realize, because they've been in this house for so long, that it just really, really didn't function the way it could, because now they have all the technology, they have the safety, they have the security and the style. They have the whole package. Step into your living room.
You have a beautiful big section.
Wow.
It looks really nice.
Yeah.
You also have plugged in over here, these are lamp modules. So you literally can take anything with a plug it in there, and then all of a sudden you can operate it through your app.
Our house is smarter than we are now.
Well, definitely smarter than Drew.
Yeah, exactly. That was important for us. We wanted to make sure that the house is working for you. You're not having to work for the house. But one other part of that is we wanted to make sure you had the therapy room that the kids needed.
All right.
You ready?
Yes.
Take a look.
Goodness. Whoa, this is amazing. We've needed this space. This is gonna make all the difference.
We're excited to be able to have the space that we need that's designed to help Callie and Preston get what they need to be able to develop.
This is the kid cave. This is
Yeah.
where they're gonna
Yeah.
hang out. They're gonna wanna spend all their time. And you also have your technology.
From the command panel, you can just press scenes and then good night, and it will automatically lock every door. You can even set it to dim the lights or shut lights off.
And on top of that, you can go right into the ADT app and you can use the good night function under scenes right there in the app. Good night.
Night.
Good night.
It just feels so good to be able to give this family a home that is going to make their lives easier. Amber and Jeff have done an incredible thing by giving these kids a chance, giving them a future, and this beautiful home is going to provide the perfect setting.
With this ADT Passive Protection Contest, it's kind of been like a whirlwind of events. My son was even saying, I still can't believe we won. I think it's really gonna hit us now that we're gonna be able to be in the home with all the changes and see all the benefits of the security system and the beauty of our new home.
Shall we go get the kids?
Yeah.
They're definitely going to want to see all of this.
The kids are gonna absolutely love that therapy space.
I mean, they were so excited when this whole project started. They're going to be doubly excited now to see their new home.
It warms my heart to see that the Moffitt family is set up in a house that actually works for them. It makes them feel safe and secure. And this is something that is so important to us, to have partners like ADT who have hearts as big as ours.
Nice. This is awesome.